Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of ServiceNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. Want to thank all the subscribers. We're up to 237 of you, and I'm just loving it. Thank you, everyone. We're also up to a little bit under, I don't know, 7,300 views. And if you're viewing this, if you could subscribe for me, that'd be really awesome. Next week's my birthday, and I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by then. So, to jump into it today, we are going to talk about how to add the condition count to a condition field. So you're probably wondering, well, why would I want this? Well, let's take SLA definitions for example. So here's our SLA definitions list. I just typed in LA space DE to get here. Click on SLA definitions, and this is what it'll bring up. So when we create SLA definitions, at first we're not really going to know how many results there are going to be until we make this condition true. So I'm going to show you how we can add an attribute to the condition to bring up this right here. See how it says 5 records match condition? And what happens is when you create this, you're able to click into the records and bring up a list like this. And you'll see here it does it all nicely for you. And this is a great help if you're setting up SLAs and you're not really sure how many records are out there that this SLA could potentially attach to. So I find this is a very helpful tool, and also I don't have to go all the way through with the creating of the SLA definition and then into the testing before I see that it's actually yielding some records. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do it. I've already performed it on that start action I showed you just there. So I have another SLA record here, and I'm just going to do it on the stop condition. It'll probably be more helpful for you if you do it just on the start condition, or on the start condition. That way you know how many it's going to or could potentially attach to. Remember that with the default and simple condition types, those are two different things, so you might want to reference that video that I did, I don't know, maybe a couple months ago on those condition types. So what am I going to do? I'm going to double click if you're on a Mac, and you're going to see Configure Dictionary pop up right here. And then what will happen is it'll take you into this screen, and it'll bring up the stop condition here. And then you're going to add, if there's an attribute in there, you're just going to do comma right here, and then I'm going to paste this in. It's going to be show underscore condition underscore count equals true. We're going to save this. And now that's saving. I'm going to reload this form, and you're going to notice right here there's going to be something that appears. Okay, we have this little refresh icon right here. Let's give it a second for it to pop up. And we have active equals false. And then we see here 58 records matching. So if we were to click into it, it would look like this. We can even click into it right now just to see what it looks like. I'll click it, it'll bring up in a separate tab. Okay, there you have it. One thing I wanted to mention is that I am available. So if you're a business that's looking to set up SLAs or you want to review your SLAs, I am available, and I will be speaking at Knowledge 18 regarding SLAs. And I'm also pursuing opportunities to do corporate sponsorship. So if you'd like to sponsor the channel, we're really picking up the statistics. We're up 8,000%. I'm very happy to report since the channel has started. So as I like to say, we've unlocked the power of ServiceNow. Thank you and have a great day.